Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. You can see I'm so happy today. I'm bringing you this good news. One of the good news, I'll tell you plenty good news today, but one of the exciting one is the fact that you all should calm down, especially the obedient and those who want the best for Nigeria. Just calm down and know that I told you guys that the propaganda they are putting out there is just to ensure that they destabilize people and make them lose focus from the cases in court, because what the Labour Party has in court against the APC and their president elect is something that we cannot we cannot play about. Do you understand? That was why they quickly told the fraction of the party to disagree with their national chairman, so that they will say that they went to court. It's all lies, a bit to make them not to be focused. Now Adamu Garuba said the new leadership, that's why he's saying the new leadership, because they have called the other people to go and fight the leadership, so that they will pass through there to disassociate themselves from the party. Listen to what he said. He said the new leadership of the Labour Party should, as a matter of urgency, disassociate themselves from IPOB driven obedience. You see them, they are now putting IPOB so that people will now feel that it's truly IPOB, which is a lie. Obi does not stand for IPOB. Obi is standing for the common Nigeria. So they said reject ESN patron Peter Obi and his sadistic VP candidate Dati. Are you seeing? He's calling names. So, and these are people who are representing, supposed to be representing your president Buhari. See what they are writing. And that Festus Keyamo guy. Oh God. So see it now. He said, accept defeat, congratulate APC and withdraw all legal charges from court to save their sanity. Are you listening? From what I read, have you now looked at the undertone, which means they are afraid of what is in court. They are truly afraid of what is in court. I'm going to, like Obidati said, or rather Dati said, that in Senate claims, if somebody tells you, I'll take you to court, once you mention court, the person will say, what can we do? Let's settle this. But in Nigeria, it's not like that. They tell you go to court because they know they have already paid the people in court. But this time, it's a serious case. But let me show you one lawyer. A lawyer commented. He said APC should stop and APC should forget about all these ones and meet us in court. It's been 11 days since Peter Obi filed his petition and we still haven't gotten any response from them. All this propaganda they are pushing against Peter Obi to distract us from the court case is dead on arrival. Legally, they have 21 days to file a rebuttal and it's just 10 days left. As at today, it's 9 days left. The court is mandated to continue the case and rule in Peter Obi's favor if they do not respond in 21 days. Aswaju, TikTok, dear mandate thief, a drug lord. And now, a lot of people were on the comment section saying, someone said, can it be possible for APC to apply for extension? Just wondering, if they might want to do that, because this Nigeria, they know how to do things, because they want to drag it until May 29. Their intention is to drag it, but legally you cannot drag it. You have to respond. And then somebody now said there is no extension in election petition. It's a serious thing. Its application time is of essence, and so in such cases. This one said, thanks for sharing this knowledge. I am getting to learn about it now, and I'm curious about whether it will work in Nigeria. As we all know, Nigeria is an amalgamation of diverse cultures and traditions, and we face a lot of challenges in terms of practicing true democracy. While I think this approach has potential, I also believe it's important to be realistic above the context we are dealing with. You see, these people have so polluted the minds of Nigerians to the point that even when Nigerians see the laws, they don't even believe it, because they know how this men in power manipulate everything. One guy now said, when a rich man is sick, a poor man will pay him a visit to say sorry and wish him a speedy recovery. When a poor man is sick, he waits to recover, then goes to tell the rich man that he has been sick. Chinua Achebe. You see, when all these our writers of old were writing things, some people were thinking, it's just a small thing, nothing is going to happen. This, that. But now, are you seeing that everything they wrote is playing out? What did Fela sing is playing out? Now they said APC said go to court. Labour Party now serve 50 pages of petition. APC now say, why are you in court? We are only joking. And then Labour Party said, we are serious. This is serious business. This is Nigeria. Then APC is crying, help, help. They carry us go where we don't know. Of course, Nigerians are very funny. Somebody now said, Omo, nobody is talking about Atiku again. This so-called elite know who actually won the election. This is the first time in the history of Nigeria that someone they said came third, that is Obi, is giving the ruling party sleepless night. Of course, the man Peter Obi is giving them sleepless night because they have entered the wrong hand. They have been cheating people and taking away mandates, but this time they entered the wrong person. And I'm sure the reason why you see all this propaganda, Peter Obi is talking about religion, Peter Obi is talking about ethnicity, Peter Obi is talking about tribalism, is just so that they can, take people off the main issue, and so that they could pollute the system, such that in case they cancel the election, when people go back to the polls, they will not want to vote Obi, they will hate him. And that is why one man told the people from the north, he said, see, all these things that they are saying to you now, these people have been in government for 8 years. Have your life been better? That was how some of the Hausa guys and the Muslims now say it's true. Since this man entered government, we've not really benefited anything. It's not Aswaju that will come in and will benefit something. So they know the case is bad, and their lawyers told them that the best way to do is that you should cause propaganda to destabilize the Nigerian society, so that people will not pay attention to the things they are supposed to. But of course, Peter Obi is a very focused man. He does not allow anything deter him, and that is why they said they are threatening him to leave Nigeria. But he's not going to leave and go anywhere. Somebody now say, now because they enter Gbese. This one say, my brother, you still young, you don't know what the future holds for you. I pray you don't contest for any position in the future and get rigged. Stop supporting bad things because of tribal sentiment. Somebody said yes, that's true. You see, everything that Obi is doing now, he's making it. Now, if they even cancel the election and go and count Atiku's votes, you discover that so many votes from Labour Party had entered Atiku, all because they want Atiku to be second, in case it doesn't favor them. Of course, Atiku was the godfather of what's this man's name? Of your president's son when he got married. So while you are fighting yourself, insulting yourself on the comment section of everybody's video, do not forget that these people, Atiku, Buhari, and Tinubu, they are birds of a feather. They are together. They are brothers. Don't go and be insulting people that would have helped you in future. And when you are on comment sections abusing people, you don't know who you are abusing, if it could be your helper. So it's high time you people knew that this election has favored Peter Obi. Because if they don't reply, like now, they cannot reply today, they cannot reply tomorrow, they cannot reply on Monday. So that's another how many days? So they have, like, let's say barely 5 days or 6 days to reply. And if they don't do that, the court will be left with no option than to rule in favor of Peter Obi. Because Peter Obi has been following the law. They are the ones who are trying to truncate things. Thank you for watching, guys.